The Army's Q-5 is a target missile used to test America's defenses against air attack. Guided from a missile control station, Q-5 can simulate a great variety of supersonic missiles. In this high-altitude evaluation of the Nike Hercules, the Q-5 target was carried aloft by a B-50 bomber to give it a boost in speed and altitude. Nike Hercules, the Army's highly accurate solid propellant air defense missile, which is replacing the Nike Ajax, is raised to launching position. At the White Sands Missile Range in New Mexico, it rests on its launching pad in readiness for this test interception of the Q-5. As the B-50 reaches maximum altitude, the target is released. The Q-5 first falls clear, then after the boosters fire, its powerful ramjet engine will shoot it ahead at more than twice the speed of sound. Nike Hercules, in more than 500 test and training firings, has demonstrated an amazing ability to seek out and destroy various targets from about 1,000 up to more than 150,000 feet in altitude. This intercept, altitude above 60,000 feet, target speed in excess of 1,500 miles per hour.